Welcome to the lab. I'm Leanne, and today we are conducting ULV droplet analysis using A-Drop. Droplet analysis is used for equipment droplet characterization as well as field trials. A-Drop can be used with both a 1-inch slide or a 3mm acrylic rod to ensure that the spray droplets can be identified from other droplets and debris on the slides or rods. A UV dye is added to the product prior to application. Typically, it is added at a ratio of 2 grams per liter of product. When using A-Drop, it is important that you have the correct type of microscope, UV light, and digital camera to collect the droplet images. The initial setup steps have been completed. To center the microscope, select the UV light intensity and select the proper lens. In addition, the microscope program has been downloaded on the computer and the settings set for A-Drop. After the droplets have been collected, you're ready to go. It is important to name the images properly. To do this, be sure to have the appropriate folder open when you want the images to be saved as you acquire each image. Select the Setting tab, enter the station number in the image name box of the station of the data you are collecting. For example, Station 1 should be labeled S1, and Station 2 should be labeled S2. And the pattern continues up to 5 stations using the standard A-Drop. Before acquiring the images, place the droplet rod or slide on the empty microscope slide in the top of the specimen table. Adjust the table as needed to get the rod or slide under the lens, and adjust the height appropriately to focus in the images. When ready to capture an image, select Acquire on the top left side of the monitor. The camera will make a beep sound when the image is captured. Acquire at least 10 clear droplet images for each station, or enough images to capture approximately 200 droplets. Open ImageJ program on the computer and select Plugin from the taskbar. Then select VBC Software. Then select A-Drop. Be sure to have the most recent updated plugin. A pop-up window will appear with instructions to select the folder where the images were saved. Select the appropriate folder and click Open. ImageJ will begin running. Images will flash on the computer screen as the program conducts its analysis. Once complete, the images will stop flashing, and the results file will be saved in the same folder where the images were originally saved. Now, log into A-Drop using your username and password. Note that an error will appear on the screen and will remain there until a results file is uploaded. Select the adulticide product evaluated from the drop-down menu. Then select Browse to upload the results file created by ImageJ in your droplet analysis folder. After uploading, the results file, graphs, and data will be generated. The Graphs tab displays 2 graphs showcasing the overall volume median diameter and numerical median diameter across the sampling stations. On each graph, the cumulative volume fraction is on the y-axis and the droplet diameter in microns is on the x-axis. The red horizontal line references on each graph depicts the VMD 05. Select the Stats tab to view the overall VMD and NMD. Droplet parameters for each individual station are presented in the table below the overall stats. Select the Download Results tab to download and save the graphs and images in PDF format. For more detailed instructions, reach out to a Valent Bioscience team member.